If I could tell you about one of the craziest things in Washington, it's that Medicare couldn't negotiate prices of drugs. Before, pharmaceutical companies could just say what the price is going to be, and Medicare, the largest buyer of healthcare and prescriptions in the world, in fact, had to pay that price. People have been trying to fix that for years.
Not fair. This happens because the government pays whatever price the drug companies set without any negotiation whatsoever.
We've always lost. Why? Special interest. Big pharma spending tens of millions of dollars telling lies about what we can't do. Well, the good news here is that we've got them beat. The Inflation Reduction Act says Medicare can negotiate and say we're only going to pay this amount of money for your drug. It also caps out-of-pocket expenses for prescription drug prices at no more than $2,000 a year for Medicare recipients. It even caps insulin prices for Medicare recipients at $35 for a month's supply. It only costs them $10 to make this. It's a game changer. And now the last and maybe simplest thing is we tried to help everybody, but Republicans on the Hill blocked it. Why the Republican caucus would support pharma and continue the price gouging for insulin is beyond me. They voted against this whole thing. This is a loss for Big Pharma. This one is a win for the American people, for you. Just another reason why this law is a big deal for families all across America.